Welcome back on this Tuesday morning. The big weather story this morning is the wind. A wind advisory will be in effect for northern Houghton County and Keweenaw County today through later on tonight. So be mindful of this. You're driving in neighborhoods, be on the lookout for blown over garbage cans all the way down the road, as winds will be out of the west and southwest, especially over in the Keweenaw, gusting in excess of 40 miles per hour throughout the afternoon and evening, all thanks to this strong front that's just to our west. It will move in from west to east. The impacts for us would be the wind and the temperatures, then the snow for folks downstate as we head into tomorrow and into Thursday. Right now on satellite and radar, not a lot of moisture out there. Winds, here it is as we put it into the afternoon. More of that west wind flow coming into place. Gusts in excess of 40 to 45 miles per hour into the Keweenaw, and then by tomorrow morning those winds will be tapering off and we won't be dealing with the strong winds by tomorrow morning. Temperatures as we head into this morning topping off in the low to mid 30s, mainly for the central and western counties. Look for low 30s across the west end, and then as that front moves through, we will have temperatures fall. You see the contrast with the colors there. Colder air to the west, teens for this afternoon and into the evening, and still into the 20s to the east by this afternoon. Then we're back into that cold pattern yet again for your Wednesday through the weekend. Here's the front. Watch as it moves in. Not a lot of moisture. Most of the snow stays to the north, but once it passes with that west wind flow and the colder air moving in, we'll see some lake effect snow developing later on in the day through tomorrow along the west and northwest wind belts. For folks downstate, we'll see rain develop ahead of that front. Colder air sets in with the passage of that front, and it traverses or mainly transitions to snow for folks downstate tomorrow morning, all day long for them down there, all the way through Thursday as well, and eventually clearing out. They're looking at a lot of snow along the state line, around and near a foot of snow likely for folks there. For us, we're not expecting a whole lot, but again, if you're traveling downstate, be mindful of the winter storm warnings and the advisories that will be in effect for those areas and counties tomorrow and into Thursday. The pattern will become a little bit colder with a few more snow chances into the weekend.
Domino's Pizza is flipping the usual tipping etiquette in a push to get